choosing the best web hosting can feel overwhelming. There are dozens of providers, all promising fast speeds, perfect uptime, and easy setup, but in reality, only a few are worth your time. In this video, we're focusing on two of the most popular and proven hosting providers right now, Bluehost and Hostinger, and helping you decide which one makes more sense for your website. If you want to check current deals later, I've placed discount links for both Bluehost and Hostinger in the description and in the pinned comment. For now, let's look at how they actually compare. Let's start with Bluehost. Bluehost is often seen as a more premium and beginner-friendly hosting option. It's officially recommended by WordPress, which makes it a popular choice for blogs, business websites, and anyone building a WordPress site for the first time. Setup is very simple. Everything works out of the box, and the dashboard is easy to navigate even if you've never used hosting before. Performance is solid, uptime is reliable, and customer support is available 24/7, which gives Bluehost a very safe, polished feel. Bluehost is ideal if you want a hosting provider that feels stable, professional, and easy to grow with, even if it costs a bit more. Now let's talk about Hostinger. Hostinger is all about value for money. It's one of the most affordable hosting providers on the market, but it still delivers surprisingly good performance thanks to light-speed servers and optimized setups. Hostinger is fast, modern, and very beginner-friendly, with a clean control panel that makes managing your website simple. It's a great choice for personal websites, blogs, small businesses, and anyone who wants strong performance without paying premium prices. While Hostinger doesn't have the same enterprise feel as Bluehost, it offers excellent speed and features for the price, especially if you're on a budget. So, which one is the best web hosting in 2026? If you want a more premium WordPress-focused experience with strong support and a polished setup, Bluehost is the better choice. If you want the best value, lower pricing, and fast performance without unnecessary extras, Hostinger is hard to beat. Both are reliable, both are beginner-friendly, and both can handle most websites with no problem. The right choice depends on whether you prefer a premium experience or the best deal for your money. If you want to grab the lowest price on either one, just check the discount links for Bluehost and Hostinger. They're right there in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more hosting reviews, comparisons, and website building tips.